Hi and welcome, I am here today with Oppo Find X2 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your volume panel. First off, you have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for an application called Volume Styles. Okay, install the first application that pops up. Now open it. Okay, now in order to enable the application we have to tap on this start button in the top right corner, tap on accessibility service, volume styles and simply enable volume styles. Okay, yes, I agree, and now everything should be working. If we try to change the volume level now, as you can see, nothing really changed. Let's try and customize our volume panel a little. Go to customize. Here we can change the vertical position. Let's make it at the top. So if we now try to open up the volume panel, as you can see, it appears at the top. Okay, we can make it so it appears after we swipe from the position of the volume panel, like this. It didn't work. Weird. I can't seem to open it. Let's try something else. Let's go to style settings and let's change the length of the slider and let's make it very thin. Now let's try changing the volume levels. As you can see, the slider is very long and very thin. And we can change also the panel position, so as you can see now it's on the left and now it's on the right. And there are many other options to choose from, but I'm going to leave it at it. So thank you so much for watching, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.